There are 3 million women, men and children in concentration camps in Xinjiang in Western China. Something on this scale has only happened once before in history, and that was the Holocaust, where 6 million people ended up being killed. They were exterminated. At the moment, these are concentration camps, and they are not extermination camps. But history has shown if the world continues to do nothing, the lives of these women and men and children are in peril, and they can be killed. Even now, there are credible, unsubstantiated reports of torture, of gang rape, and of medical experiment on these women and men and children. China cannot hide the millions because of the satellite images of the camps. And we've got to start speaking about it, because at the moment the world is silent. So tell your family and tell your friends, and get your family and friends to tell their family and friends. And when enough people talk about it, then the Chinese will stop.
Definitely. Respected all the way from Somali speakers. Shalom, my brother.
Shalom.
Shalom.
Salam.
Stop
Salam.
putting Palestinians in a concentration camp in Gaza. Then you will have some credibility.
I'm British.
You are a hypocrite,
I'm
not
British.
a British. You are a hypocrite. Free the Palestinians first, and then worry about the Muslims. Hypocrite. Zionist fascist.
I wasn't expecting that.
You get all sorts, it's okay.
As from Somali speakers, I respect what you said about China. Highly.
Sickly, long nose, white,
You're on
very
camera.
sickly. Long nose, white, very sickly looking, and is worried about what campaigning is spreading hatred against China because China is a communist party in charge. That's what he's spreading.
So, is it wrong what he's saying?
Free the Palestinian first.
Wait a minute.
Look in your own backyard.
Is it wrong?
Your own backyard first.
You're not
Then
answering the question.
now he's a hypocrite.
So there's not 3 million Muslims in the concentration camp?
Agenda to rule the White House and the rest of the world. That's his agenda.
So you mean Israelization of China?
Eh?